Hey everybody, my name is Alok Gupta, co-founder, CEO of AutoReel. Today I'm going to show you how you can instantly apply AI photo edits and virtual staging directly within AutoReel. Now, there's two ways to do so: when you create or edit a video, or directly within a project when you click on the Images tab. I'm going to start a new project and import my photos. Now, let's select a few photos to use for the video. For this demo video, I'm just going to select a few photos to show you. What you'll do is hover over a photo and you'll see AI edit. Click that and click analyze. Our AI engine is detecting the photo, where it was taken, what type of scene it is, and then we'll find out the eligible AI photo edits that we can apply in just one click. In this case, we've correctly detected it's an external photo, and so we can apply photo edits to touch up the sky or touch up the lawn. Now in this case, the lawn is pristine, but otherwise I could apply a lawn repair. But now let's look at the sky edits that we can do. In one click, we can apply a twilight, sunset, daytime, or clear sky photo edit. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select Twilight, and then for resolution, you can select between standard and high definition. In most cases, we recommend using standard if you're using these photos for the video, but if you want to download these images to use for other platforms such as the MLS, your social media, or website, you can request the high resolution as well. Standard takes about 10-15 seconds, and therefore it's the most recommended, and high definition can take about a minute and a half. I'll stick to standard, and then we can apply an AI disclaimer if we'd like. I'm not going to do so. And then finally, we can apply any final edits or custom prompts that we'd like. In this case, I'm going to stick to the Twilight and go ahead and apply it. And the way we've seen this work the best is moving iteratively from one step to another. That means going from the original photo, applying a Twilight, and then adding any additional modification that we'd like to the custom prompt box only if we need to do so. In most cases, selecting one of the edits that's already pre-templated is going to lead to best results, and it's recommended. You won't really need the custom prompt box, but it's there just as a safety net in case you need it. Now in one click, we have this beautiful Twilight photo that we've been able to create here in AutoReel. I can go ahead and click download here and use this in any other tool, platform, system, or MLS that I'd like. And I can even see how I've gone from the original photo to the Twilight and see how they stack up and compare next to one another. Sweet. Now, photos that have been edited will have this little sparkle icon, and that's what I'm going to use for my video because it's a lot more engaging and dynamic and will help stop the scroll. Now, I'm going to show you a few more cool AI photo edits. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select this photo that has a fireplace and click analyze. We've analyzed the image, and now we've detected all the different things that we can apply AI photo edits towards. In this case, we can remove furniture, we can declutter it, or we can black out the TV screen, which has glare. But for today's sample, I'm going to turn on the fire. Let's go ahead and ignite the fire so it's on and moving in the video. And again, I'm going to stick to standard since I'm not using this in any external platform, and I'm going to go ahead and edit the image. In one click, we applied a beautiful fire, ignited it, and now this will come to life in AutoReel's video. Finally, let's try virtual staging. I'm going to select this photo of a bedroom, click AI edit, and hit analyze. Now that the image has been analyzed, I'm going to toggle to virtual staging here at the top, where AutoReel correctly detected that this is a bedroom. And now I can apply furniture replacement. Now remember, if we want to declutter, we can go to photo edit, remove furniture, or declutter. But let's do virtual staging. I'm going to replace the furniture with farmhouse since this is a southern home. Now in one click, we applied farmhouse furniture, but I want to show you something that we can do really cool with our custom edit box, only just to take it that last mile. We're going to tell it to make it extra cozy and add string lights too for that warm touch. Beautiful. In just seconds, we made it extra cozy and added a ton of string lights to really make it warm and southern. And now we can use these in our video. Now let's use our AI photo edited and virtually staged photos and create a beautiful property video in just seconds. I'm going to use just the sample photos for the demo. We'll select the bedroom, confirm the video settings look good, and let's go ahead and render just the raw video clip to show you what it looks like. Now in just a few minutes, our video is ready to go with our AI photo edited and virtually staged images. Let's see what this looks like. Wow, that's amazing. That's so cool that we were able to do this in just a few clicks. And as I mentioned earlier, you can always add more virtual staged images and apply any more photo edits directly within a project by clicking images and then AI edit. That's all for today. Thank you so much for learning how to use AI photo edits and virtual staging here in AutoReel. We can't wait to see what you create.